Get reviews or features highlight before select Achifine 4K+2.5K mirror dash cam front and rear. Why you choose Achifine 4K+2.5K mirror dash cam front and rear. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 4K plus rear 2.5K, front 170 degrees plus rear 150 degree Achifine mirror dash cam adopts real Ultra HD lenses which provide 4K, 3840x2160p, on the front view and upgraded 2.5K, 2560x1440p, on the rear view. The lenses are not only UHD but also come with a wide angle. The front 170 degrees and rear 150 degrees angles can ensure fewer blind spots, and easily cover multiple lanes. In addition, the rear view camera is IP67 for water resistance, which can capture a clear view no matter what bad weather. Sony sensors and WDR Starlight Night Vision Achifine adopted front IMX335 plus rear IMX307 dual Sony sensors. Equipped with WDR tech simultaneously to capture clear enhanced detail even in extremely low light conditions, maximizing the true color reproduction of objects. With front 1.6 plus rear 1.8 large aperture as a supplement, this rear view mirror camera can get a larger amount of light. Better adapt to various light environments and realize the Starlight Night Vision effect at both angles. Control quick access to video and targeting. Achifine backup camera has a built-in Wi-Fi module that supports viewing the recorded video on the mobile RoadCam app. You can quickly pull up some important footage when making an insurance claim. Or you can share shots of scenery or interesting things along the way with friends. Besides, when connected to GPS, the rear-view camera will record precise speed, position, direction, longitude, and latitude data while driving. Touchscreen and smart voice control. Achifine rear-view mirror dash cam adopts a 12-inch IPS 2.5D curved touchscreen, which is large and clear enough to allow you to easily set the camera with your finger when the car is parked. Of course, when driving, just put your hands on the steering wheel. Instead of tapping the screen frequently, you can directly use voice commands to implement some basic functions. Screen and easier installation. Achifine dashcam mirror has the most popular 12-inch body size, used with smooth body lines, which can perfectly block the original rearview mirror and provide a wider horizontal field of view than a small screen. As for installation, it's easy to operate and the included tools can help you install it better. If you have any problem installing it, please do not hesitate to tell us, we will help you realize the technology drive in 3 minutes. Safe parking assistance when you turn to the R, reverse, gear. The mirror dashcam will automatically display the real-time video and the parking assist lines for safe and easy parking. Need to connect to the positive pole. By the vertical/mirror rotation, you can set the rear camera angle, and the reverse mode is upgraded to 2 selectable modes, panorama display/full screen display. Helps to park safer by manually adjusting for a more suitable viewing angle. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.